let's get into it. We're getting ready to do a new level of training. So let's kind of go through the old channels. This is an old channel, and we can see that it is kind of suffering, right? We got some more subscribers. So this channel is older and it has a mixed audience. So let's go to this channel that I am starting to rescue. This channel has a mixed audience, but I'm breaking out of this channel. Now, let me kind of show you what I'm doing. There's something I should have did years ago. So now I have this channel. New channel was started, let's see, when did I start this? I think it's about a month ago. I can see I started this channel February 13th. So this channel is about 6 weeks old, and it is doing better than my older channels from my view standpoint. So we will go here to intellectual property school, and let's see. So we've got this going on. This video is actually doing very well. And let's go to, this is my fun channel. I just throw stuff up on here. This is just for me. This is the happy channel. And this video is getting a lot of love. So I'm thinking about maybe one video a week on this channel. And then we can go to the holding company. This is where I'm gonna put the holding company information, and there'll probably be one video, maybe two a week. It just kind of depends. Now let's go to the new Disruptive Mail. This channel is starting to take off. So it's really doing well. Now, what we're getting ready to do with this new level of training, what I'm going to do is have coaching. It's not going to be a course. There is a book. So we have this book, and we will go here, go in here, and millions from you. This will be, you will get the book, and you will get a group coaching program. Today at 3:30, we have a session talking about thumbnails. So at 3:30 on Sundays and 8:30 on Wednesday nights, we will have group training talking about how to build your YouTube channel so you can make some money. Now, this is one of the things that's going to be really different about this. Part of the group training includes me and you getting on a one-on-one conversation about where you want to take your channel. What ideas do you have? That's going to be the first thing. Because I can tell you, and it's going to blow your mind. I want to show you something. Let me switch back here and get to this channel. All right. And we can get in here. This is the craziest thing. I have been monetized. Let's see. Go here, and we will go to lifetime. You will see that I was monetized from YouTube about, okay, there we go. All right. So I was monetized October 10th, 2010. I started my YouTube channel August 3rd, 2009. And you will see from August 3rd, I was not monetized. Well, let's see. Let's go. Oh, actually, I wasn't monetized until 2016. And I was making 20, 30,000. I had made my first million from YouTube before I actually was monetized by YouTube. And this is the thing that everyone wants to do. Everyone wants to get monetized by YouTube. Go ahead and create these channels. And let me see if I can get into this Roberto Blake. Roberto. Here it is. All right. Roberto Blake. This may be old, but he's someone I know. He lives here in Georgia. And he's posted this stuff up there. He had this thing where the average YouTuber doesn't get 1,000 views per video. You don't get 1,000 views per video. And he posted this content years ago. I used to see Roberto at Daryl E's Vid Summit, like 2013, 14, 15, 16. And let's see, here he is. He's a speaker at Vid Summit. This was 2021. And let's kind of, because he had this posting, and I really want to show it to you guys because it is really, let's see, reduce debt. Nope, nope, nope. I think it's going to be deeper down. But they had this posting that was talking about YouTubers, how much money people make. It was very, very on point because he talked about the number of folks who were making money on YouTube. And then when I met Roberto, who was talking about money and stuff, I was making like way more money than the average YouTuber. Way more money than the average YouTuber. So one of the things I will teach you guys is how to set up a YouTube channel and how to monetize it yourself. Now, there's a certain way that you have to set up the YouTube channel. And I'm not going to find it because he's got so much stuff up here. But typically, you can monetize a YouTube channel and start making money even though YouTube hasn't monetized it. There's a lot of ways you can do it. There's so many ways you can do it. So this is the book. Where is it? The American Hustler. This is one of my favorites, Pimping Craigslist for Fun and Profit. This book, it has January 2009 on it. But Making Money Easy was the second edition. This is how I started making money on YouTube. Only one left in stock. That's kind of funny because this was CreateSpace. But essentially, what we're going to do in this coaching program is get you to, number one, you have to find your niche. This is key because one of the things you can do is you can go to, let's see. Let me go back your channel and get in here and look at Roberto Blake. All right. And you will see this over and over again. You would go to the oldest video. And this is Roberto's first videos. These are his first videos. Nothing compared to what he's doing. You see, many people will start YouTube doing one thing, then they will switch. But here's the thing. If you follow the process, and I'm going to actually kind of give you part of the process. If you go ahead and create a new YouTube channel, new Gmail account, and a new YouTube, well, the first thing you need to do is pick a niche. You have to pick a niche before you get started. Many people will kind of figure it out, think in, let's see, because I just saw one of his videos. Many people will have this process of starting a YouTube channel and kind of figuring it out along the way, right? Like, let's go to Jason Wilson. He's in the men's space, right? And go to his oldest videos, and you will see it is nothing like what he's putting out now. And this is one of the things that I don't say it kills YouTubers. This is the way that YouTubers learn how to figure out what their niche is. And once you start off with the correct niche, then what you do is you create a YouTube channel, and then everyone that's in that niche, you subscribe to their channels. Now, why do you want to do that? When you subscribe to their channels, you get thrown, like, I give you a perfect example of this. A perfect example of this. All right. So I can actually show you what I'm talking about. All right. So go to YouTube. So this is in the man space, right? So I'm subscribed to a lot of man space videos. And I saw this video right here, leveling up. Let's go to analytics. I saw someone, same title, leveling up means less options. I just used the same title. I made the video and I talked about it. And this video has been up for about 3 days. And it's on almost, it's getting close to 3,000 views because YouTube is pushing this. And this is one of the things that happens when you actually know what's going on in your niche. This is another video that's starting, it's getting a lot of traffic. And I started it off to the push with the Anton Daniels content. Right now, there's a lot of hate of Anton Daniels. But once again, if you will see, I did 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I did another one and I stopped it because that video wasn't performing well. So I literally just stopped it. And then I went ahead and started to do my own thing, because this is one of the things you got to learn about YouTube. So I've got, maybe I'll release this one, maybe not, I don't know. But I've got other content. And also I have time to create new content to put up, because this video did well. This video is doing well. And if I can put up 3 or 4 videos that are consistently thrown in the YouTube algorithm, that right there, like, this is literally, I'm 1,800 hours away from being YouTube monetized. YouTube monetized. And then that's one of the things. Plus, there's a whole lot more that's going to go on. So in this coaching, we're going to talk about, number one, how you set up your YouTube training, because this is the key. If you just set up a regular YouTube channel and you want to go on views, you can make money that way too, but it's going to be a longer journey. It's going to be a much longer journey. And one of the things that we will talk about, like, I can go ahead and give you the whole game of what's going to happen. When this channel gets bigger, I'm going to direct all that traffic here to the new Disruptive Mail. So right now, what I am selling is the YouTube training. Now, if you want to get into the full intellectual property school, that's going to be a little different. But what I will do is make a deal, because this is the thing. I can do this because I am the king. I can go ahead and, let's go ahead and get into this. I can do the YouTube training only, where you'll get the YouTube training book and you'll get the live training for a few weeks. Let's see. I got a lot of stuff up here. Actually, I need to go back, and I think it's going to be here. Millions from YouTube. Yeah, what I can do is I'm gonna make this $100 for this offer for people who just want the YouTube training, and then if you want the full, let me just go ahead and do that. Go to courses. Well, let's see. We're gonna get to bundles. Bundles. So, millions from YouTube. We change the pricing. Edit, and then make that just $100 for that. Save primary pricing, and then we will let's see, edit this, just get rid of that. I'm just gonna put this here for giggles, and $100, 10 times 99. But yeah, so if you just want the YouTube training only, I'll do that for $100. And then if you want the intellectual property school, that'll be more. I'll just put both of those down there and you can pick what you want. But I am telling you that you can literally, and this is kind of where I think most of you guys will fall. Most of you guys will fall in this range. In the next 90 to 120 days, you can do $1,000 to $5,000 a month. I think that's where we can get you guys. But you got to build your YouTube channel a certain kind of way. And then, let's see, analytics, custom, lifetime. So, like I said, I wasn't monetized by YouTube until 2016. But I've been making money 2009, 2010, 2011, 2012, 2013, 2014. I made money for 7 years before YouTube. I didn't realize it took me that long to get monetized, but I honestly did not care because I was making so much money from YouTube. Selling my products and services on YouTube. So I'm going to put the 3 levels down there where you can actually get the YouTube training for $99, or you can get the intellectual property school. I'll make that $500. Or if you want one-on-one training, I'll make that $1,500. So that's what's going on. And today at 3:30, we have the first YouTube training, and I'll talk about thumbnails and stuff because thumbnails are a huge part of this. Thumbnails are a huge part of this. And I can show you how to make thumbnails and how to do all this other stuff. So that's what's going on. If you want to go ahead in the next, let's see, it's March, April, May, June. By June, be making some additional money. This could be the program for you. Just let me know. Everything will be down there below for you guys.